Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So my name is Norisha Dania. So today we're doing the third job sheet. For the first question is what's the difference between series and parallel RC circuit. So for the first difference is the connection. The connection between series and parallel RC circuit is, we're talking about series first, okay? For the series one, the current will flow into one direction, meanwhile the voltage across each component will reduce, so the voltage drop in each component is different. Okay, for the parallel circuit, the voltage between each branches is equal, meanwhile the current flows into the circuit is different due to different voltage drop, so it influences the current flow in the circuits. Okay, for the second question, what's the relationship between voltage supply and the total current in RC circuit? The relationship between voltage supply and current total is, for the series circuit, is same current flows through both resistor and capacitor, but voltage is different across the components. Meanwhile, for parallel circuits, voltage across resistor and capacitor is the same, but the total current is the sum of the individual current. For the series RC circuit, the relationship between Vs and IT is IT lead Vs. Meanwhile, for the parallel RC circuit, is the same thing, which is I total lead voltage supply. So this is my setup for this job sheet. And for the second question, relationship between supply voltage and current total is voltage supply lead current total. So this is our waveform. The blue one is the I total and the yellow one is the voltage supply. So yeah, so same one. Okay, for the conclusion, capacitor cause phase shift, making the total current lead voltage supply. So the challenge that I face for this job sheet is the crocodile clip is very hard to clip since already old, making us hard to connect the circuit properly and to identify where's the problem in the circuit. So basically to troubleshoot the circuit to implement the job sheet that we're doing. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you very much.